tia wuni.
I'm sorry, and you forget.
Okay, and that topic, you know. You perceive who say, a compose you say, Bema. Also, take care of a bar who be beer, so only the here. Bema also like the beer for Bano, one never so tia.
Brown without I force, and I say, oh, yeah, with your one wager to so. I dear me say, relationship on I uncle fair dog bandy by mantem. What I say, yes, and see, say, Mine or baby, I was I uncle fair more. Then it just said, Minister says, say, and shit. Say, me ya, me yen or me ama kumem. Say, me were my friend said, I open the banner yare, only dating quite the funny hospital the end.
Yeah, but also Bible also on only dating the who say, Nibibia, may I share say the toothpaste crab, Professor on already.
Saubano, Sebi, no, but no, him.
You should know, say, when you're banning the war, and yes, or no, never be demanded, but more like I said, what's the who say, me was said you be a system, me a room chamber or banning mamma can't.
It was a Beman who said, who near toothpaste?
Not toothpaste, but I didn't think, you know, who Beman be, as let's say a man, Bosumaso. Woman, so you it involves everything. No,
once then
you've had
now one feeling. Me feel you so good. She said you'll be a phobia tray in Mohammed.
No only say, but he was said
the
topic. The question is say, a compose we say.
I don't think no, I don't think it's compose. I know what said it.
Because moon worry you do, but they are worried for you, so what is keeping you from taking care of it?
It's one of the days I don't want to look because you are worried for
no, not on new dating.
Who's worried for if you're dating
now, if you dating.
But you should say, to me, and
you men for me great training and show. Now let's put jam on Mama can make a would you need
like the
you are in a relationship
at least a woman be but it was semi. It's Mama. But you should know.
But listen, if you are in a relationship with a girl, you go out with a girl, right? It's your banding to me, and whole basa ain't do it. All bano, she dresses nice, makeup on point, hair on point, and she can be said. I did most of what ban permit. I saw the mummies, Obesham say, I'm trying to be going for new religion, and not to be a person trim plan, not to be a mobile person, or but I into a decor. One, you can say, Memphis, Michelle Baba, person in the tea. May I know me who ban person in the tea, and I'm a coma cancer before ban. Obebo Hauna, Oko Pena will be a call. What I say? I know. And Obebu how person been to buy say Yamawa, no worry no. What I say? Obebu on swa, Massa. Opesa wano, make us say what two assume ribbon still now. Opesa for fashion now to what? Sauba, don't come. Yet necessarily me didn't see come out.
There be Obebu for say come out. There be must say
Mama dear, me person here me know Bob Brandy be me show to buy say Nebia, and no Nebia, and no praying force.
Yeah, can't say that force, all right.
Maybe once in a while, Baba was saying me, but you want a woman, it may say,
oh, maybe I
say
compulsory.
Enya compulsory.
Compulsory.
Answer na be maneba no now show. Answer na be maneba now show.
Me won't worry you, but they are for you. So what is it?
I worry for you, dear.
The hour for you, dear.
Okay.
Me your money, and you're not mommy. What's
money making a point?
Yeah,
answer we share be man now show one
okay, and I maybe say it will be no you win. I know one second or Kawa, we okay.
Me no fair through. What's the saying? What's the mammy? I saw a penny to and I'm you quite weird. But the beer, me mouse. Hey, what are you talking about?
Okay, Tio, no friend we are like guy no. Why to say abortions 3 am I? But still, guy nation. They are still in.
I got never because say guy named Tibia no. Tibia. Na me go. Na the good job. I mean, Akwabi taxi driver. Or the next ni bia. Next ni you also na doctor. Guy ni kuno. When na doctor.
What it is handsome with you, Bassa? What have got 10% ground from?
Guy ni kuga no. And it's also so people. From Raton said the Biomonska.
They were dating.
But you should be reasonable enough. See someone I'm going out with. It's different.
I think answer na wo ban mu shia be ma na show ho ana na won show ho answer na wo ban mu shia be ma no na show ho na won wu ya na me bo ana on didi ya to anton social debi e wo mu sa se be ma de wonim se date na ye be ma but enye say e compose na only be so anton company o company na esa ka be ma ni esa be ma ni na be ma me must pay bibia me dey egu because after all without me you are nobody. That's how I see you.
You look at all the side you got to
sister the practice one many ajo o say so only be cry no there that one
Debi na ni people be ma wo kra se be ma ni wo kra na be ya ma wa o be ma ni ye ni na ma wa because after all be ma ni ho no ma he feel say you are nobody. They won't want na wo we me ni ho no ni there. There's nothing.
Debio, yanka say ye twen o. Mo ase wa mo kan. Enya force.
Enya compose.
It is what compose.
Eno die.
Enya kawan ka do.
Into one day o ho.
As a prisoner.
Into without bear man no ne obi ana.
Aka hye ya be ya kun no. Come mo hye dem as a prisoner. Unpie da. Because who pia me no one. I saw
them cry. That one you spend more on me.
I go here be anya be the man.
I really will feel it. We say dem be
Bema ni show. Oye ni na ma na ombuwa mo pa na.
Me ma mpie kwa no bi akọ hostre ho.
Dem ye ni na ma wa. Ho na be ma be start.
Oni wo ka.
Ono fa bra me hwe. Untimi.
Oni wo ka. Because on e bibia ma o. Bibia ma o se.
Say only bibia ma.
Enti ne compose.
You do everything.
Enti ne compose.
Bibia o ye ma o. Ebi o be ye. Ebi o ye.
I was a guy no ohu na say be a relationship.
Debio, asade dey woni ma dey obi enu onim na asade relationship mo.
It was said.
But I thought that no go about say what you say. Ene ma ne nye. What you say. But enya
okay, but me answer one answer.
What you yare mama me frɛ lawyer say lawyer yi. Me ba ne yare o na ne twem pene je ne ma. Ene oba no kotofu na da kasi wa.
If you say what on it, what?
Now me ti ya catch say bia wo de na akọ na usika.
But listen, the woman has for you. cause
so it's Maka. Oh, it's Maka.
It's they say, oh, if I saw no guy or yare, your friend say, be our yare, or back hospital, no one back. Meanwhile, it's getting home. It's only okay with them. Not say, well, who didn't make a canon put. I was saying, Chinchina, I say, let's say, but may say, only so we are no will be a power. He should know, say, and also, he knows, but only be.
Oh, and I make a say, there is a fact say, you say the person doesn't have, that one is different.
To go, I mean, Joe, and you say, Bemano, he knows, say, or so he be, by so what try, obey it.
Yeah, that one is different.
And you're forced to.
I know, so.
Force. What I say?
No, but you're forced. So, open
so I work as a winning scanner. Now, say quick loan is so.
Now, phone no, only phone be. Me ma go ta Ghana cedis o. Enti me no, me ya play
quick loan for so so won GB da, untumi nya 100 cities Ghana say.
Maybe what was what? Mobile money on GB da, mobile money. Maybe we receive minimum say oh, you have money, maybe in certain na we need be. Like you receive a lot of money.
I na me give me
and you can go back show na say no say and you compose change na money.
Oba hete be maka che ne say, "Oh, akwasi bi so me nya 500 cedis. Menya bia ya de. Bo so man 500 cedis de. Bo so 500 cedis. Afa be man say, "Oh, mini bi we re hwe bia next week mo. This next week. O say le me use me de ya match."
What is
that? Is a wound. Man, you know, buy a system.
Man, nani epe. Any nani epe. Any nani epe.
The value.
And yes, I may man now so epe. And yes, I may man now so
May forget. Yeah, the Intia. I won't worry me. Say, my so dear, and your madam may forget make us my what is it, Tobo? What is it? What you saying?
Pay a compulsion or so here. The fact so you love me one day.
So they can make come the last, so they'll count it. Also, dear, what you say?
Ubetia, Benya compose, Obian shell, Opa, Opa me. Media,
Grandma, force. What is now Focus?
Yeah, Bema, dear, so I said, dear, now say they compose, me, make us say compose.
And then you're trying to get
job. Me, Pierre was looking nice.
Master Mamma say, Bema beer, who has a son or buy train plan. See what fun who can now. Yes, I now have. Draw some man, not to Yaman. And I said, I'm to what's your also the white so the
Jamie said, Untia Winnie.
I'm a sackabim, and you be your forgets.
Emma, so forget me,
maybe say, and your compose. But me who are the effect, who say a fatal bar minutes now, but tableau, who hear be no mubia, but who can see it here, but see a bit in the amount. We say, by your compose some of the oka, Michelle open now, and the oka, Sergeant J. Well, I had your queer, be a channel, you'll be a funny, but at least if you are also one my year to manka, me who comment section one, so that's it.
phobia as no you can't eject because no for your tight and your papa and your money. It be the edge, it be the localizer. I know for you.
So guys, there is this post that I saw yesterday. A lady complained that her boyfriend broke up with her simply because she has small boobs, I mean breasts. I want to know, should breasts become something boys should look at when proposing to a lady? What do you people think? Why laughing? Do you think breasts should become something a boy should be looking for a lady before he moves forward? That he proposes or something.
Okay, so I was talking to a lot of guys. Actually, let me say I have a lot of male friends, and then I've heard them talk about the fact that boobs is very important. One person was like, "Hey, good, no fun. We say, baby, like our deal say essentially I don't know, like maybe Mona boost no. But I don't think say.
Was it time I am a young phony be diablo. Almost say, Bemadi, on Chanfu. That. Bemadi, Intimini and so my Bemusa and Ocre. Some of Miss and Seminar no Mokika and Ocre. That's what's in mind? Look for Nana. Some may be a relationship. Okay. Intimate girls, they be I say. Yeah,
moral in relationship. How like
moral. Oh, like say, when your girl at least more having sex. In the foreplay near the and breast and also a very sensitive. A man breast and sensitive. And he said, oh, come on, what you say, or ban home. A costro, what can you
but it's like that.
We all have man can be an enemy, my crying. No phobia, a here, our relationship, but and no phobia soon here. No phobia, now but train church because me, I'm in no form. You were no four more types. You were cassia, you were honeypot, and you walk it to a bar. The cactus and I'm Chima, and then you will come to forward and when you was it. Aha, maybe I may pay it. A honeypot, what I say. Yes, we started not pity you, so by me. Aha, this is one way I am about to crab a penny to go in that of size. When you many ababa will be the tea. Now, say, you can see a perceived a class man upon a breast of my young pet. And the man said, no, for dear. There will not relationship between you.
Let us say, a man, a more man, and
yet, dear, me, mum, dear, some of you are no person because someone much to say. I would be a cool, we are say, or be on pen for. But as a bar man, dear, me here no for my brother.
Oh, no for the no crow, no for the and they like, especially in Vazza or Casa to work, excuse me. If I say a brand series, bar, may imagine Penny Bosso, or me too, like Anka, only Bema to a different year.
Now, I think the workers say, Munya no kids anymore. I don't know why the size should be something among us, medium with the girls.
I said to one, excuse me, get to a member woman for Abo. And I want now what things we bear me in a no crash and
only my dear. I did not put him on no fool. Eh, no for a teenager now. Says from Planning Ginger Home, now more I do say. Because if we go home, we shall cry and cry singing.
I think the big girl, and really me go far about you. Now, maybe you rather now say, yeah, play a honka. Don't per se or bell rock, one per so be. Ain't you already me when you tea as a man for them so very. Or die now, dear chin. So or die, or not. Was a madam Muro here, Muro. In your diner, dear chamber, for pound my children. Eddie, I cover Munka. Ain't the best. I'm going now. No for I say, best. And I'm the same Tina, not on per se. But
first one, did you enjoy?
Oh, as a man, young for tea. As I am sick. Oh,
No 40 in fact.
Oh,
Because imagine say you are with this girl, only breast, but then the girl has been so like loyal to you, and sure, you will stick on breast. Why should you break up with
I know but on say a new man many pie, yen okay, Jenny, and new man TV minutes because it be a barrier and where me fit, and I be ocean who you maybe. What I say, yes. And I say, excuse me, no for any one. Like putting us in a home of a swat take a crash. I mean, we have a button. I won't feel comfortable.
And one and four. It's
not at least I don't see why small breasts should become a reason you should break up and after you wouldn't propose to. Many breasts my breasts are small. I will grab for no one and
also then that time was waiting open say o ko kwan so
enti otumi and start be
yes o ta say o no kra breast no kra to me ma o be ma do bro yan o ga so ta say
yeah but that ni na man for mom be pay se mo kan inside ya
no for kese ni bi
o so mo dia remember bi o mo so
that je mo na mo ka
me say obi a wo dia
Obia would be any jump. Who about pickers?
Mommy, still. Why not they say about with small breasts?
Oh, me TV. I'm one. Like
in your cause now, more and stimulate feelings, sexual pleasure.
Oh, what dear, but I'm one, go be the one by me, I'm one.
Again,
But I'm saying, no one like Emily peace. So I say
peace.
We never meet in the title.
One I can't say no only breast the other one. As my breast, what's mentioned is that I'm but then remember how we say yes. So for people
Eja, I'm camera hosem. Mako share baba we bi na mseja. Na the breast no how we judge and also na e be pendia. Na dem bi no ko de na. Be de mano bo no fu mu amafunu mu na ye me no. Dey. Ti me penu fo no we de me share. We de me share, o me share. Ti no for de hu hia ko fo no for pe.
Na if you be e woni mana se mo pe.
O bi ate. So me and me be honey ho.
Honey,
but
I know what I falling when I'm to. What am I standing? What is I'm holding? What is it?
O so man na je aba.
What you say?
O so man na to. O so man na to. But e go o so man na je aba.
And no man change. What is it?
Na mo ya mama for the so if you mo ni say mo ni breast. I'm not.
Oh, let me just say.
I don't comprehend.
Remember go pep oba osun ohun ebu on so oba yesterday
Anti breast no say oba bi o ha o dress ya na ne nufo no endoso o shatare na mfata no but say isuanzo a obon say azel ne boso na koye bema bi a wa dress wa sanse ashere
no for no timi ka pia be shen ni ya semu
no for ni bi o sa
the friend of Google at chichi breast
girl bro ameni ni wadwuma no for pa o swagu bra mu a o swagu bra mu a masa Jai.
No dia me pɛ.
Ɛno ne deɛ. Yenya normal one na deɛ ɛyɛ. Obia ne the taste o.
Obi o ha o sha tare kra o matare kra o be se meeting so be say like nobody no say wa feel what I say the same thing applies to dress. Like atari chinchi o be so o she but we need share them go. What I say now only share me fe also I say o sa pepe and then my and your phone for what I say. I was standing not sure him you bit now no for
Bema so bia ever for girl ya oh na say girl pro no
only me ma obi factor factor pa factor
enti
e be friend ma bisa
oni bidi aze ehye atare mu no wohu de wa esitie but ebi abekọ na wasesa papers egu ase e dia
obeti sika ko ware ne tamfo
wasesa papers egu ase e dia
no obeti sika ware ne tamfo that's the point
no correct
oh you make one more count na my
so
try so be share a YouTube channel on my phone
okọ hyehyɛ video bi a mehwɛ girl mine on girl no omo aye bibia wie say girl no hyɛ fo beto de ni bi owie no so wo hwɛ auto enda da ho no enti say ukọ fa foam hyehyɛ obres na me so kra me hu say foam na hyehyɛ ma beta me fi uwie a na ma ga say so o hwɛ foam eda we drop ni
oh but on a more serious note everything I can say say they utilize in the eyes of the beholder. Oh, we be pack it to we see any and the gas. We are
like to say oba na ho na say oba oni no for like any engine. Maybe do hosa.
Obia woni ebi oba no ni breast no bibi before for her ebe Kenya be man
because not there are many important things attitude and stuff so I don't know why breast should be only breast
and I mean and the
be ma do ye kofa oba say bia ye kan say ye pese ni oba we din komo na ye ko altar of first appearance eno na attractive ma yetumi approach nti physical appearance nzo ka ho
so okay we have these two ladies one with small breasts but then old with attitude and then one with big breasts but then sorry to say
but because religion
no no say no the one with breast na me pen na ma control no suba na modi no de ya me sipe
oya na onfa no eja
onpa na
say like it's so unfortunate sometimes the attitude we like in the bodies we do not like what I say and the attitudes we do not like in the bodies we like what I say this no what I say sometimes the behavior the first thing you consider is the appearance and I say oh if you are approaching the partner say we need no so any one open and you no be in sugar but we what I say so bet me at now
no for na you na boy come on no I say you know masa no mama na you am jawa so mama na ja what
you post me there me I don't why in castle
no for the here no for it is say you go back na ye bani na so oji ye yire no fo aboso ai ha e ba sa wuche nsu fisura na ye
no crepa no cre nje no sa ma ne fa ba ko na zo fa ba ko
what you say no plan emre bi bi ma jwa dia aboso enya ne dia
Akoran popra ya o no for the nyawo dia what the gorobi we are the better name I so assist my one better name
oh me benya mo so no mo de yo be me bo so de ni je nketwa sa
sana mini nyansa na mini nyansa
enti omo penu for ketwa no mini nyansa
me kama me hu me timi mi sana penu for ketwa na mini nyansa sebi what I say
enti na ka say
nyansa no na mu say no for the time go for
come no for the man you are more the silicone share mo breast mo but no enye den ya obenya bi na den ya obenya be ma wo so na ode nti wo koyi silicone share breast mo dia ma se be kaka mun bi be 40 na no for na je na kura
so you people think it should be a reason for somebody to break up with a girl simply because of that?
Yes. So I'm saying because of that, yeah. And also say no
my personal experience. I know a friend there. Only the lady be called out to see. Only they started. Oh, the lady is nice, everything. Only leave me be here to do a point in time. I say the lady is too smallish for his liking. I know time.
Really?
What I say? One person now live near smallish too.
That's what those around him will be saying. Say, "Oh, girl knows to and say he be that." With a small breast, who are occupied girl, only said the girl is having small breast, but my friend was a girl and you know for so.
I said, okay, if you have to me that. I said, okay, if you have to me that, me know we are. Mako family guy and no food, so to me the again no food now.
So is I don't see why I was like
how many
breast lovers.
Oh no for the any jonti.
Maybe I need no for.
Uyi mema tena. Uyi mema tena. Uyi mema tensiwa. Uyi mema tensiwa na obi ape breast. Nti one de obepe nketoa.
Asema ye ka say o ya asesanu. Yen ka say esi mi onu fu so a won ye fiu. Yen ka say esa na ye kan.
I really get it, but
obi wo ho so ahun. Obi wo ha onimse onufuo no. Onimse breast nisha but opese oni uye bibi. Oh, ono have sex keke. Eno no sa no wi eno ano no do breast no e take that opportunity no dey jaw.
It's not as smart.
Only by the man is so am disi woman man. Excuse me. I remember something in them kumpa no ho bi na wa ne no for we hipu. No the handkerchief ashesha ase.
Even pour the oil.
No the oil I found that t-shirt.
No the cross blood.
So say na ofe. It's na na mo ti na wo hipu. That's why I say nya ba what's your problem?
I don't know njani sa.
But now to be see a complaint be me. O say ababa will be of fire. Na ojaba kuno kofa ba ko. But of fire na do no fususa ba na opedi e ye ho ne kokakra. Na oni ababa oni kwatena no. Di oja no na onya bibi wa no because na no for no pe. Esa so ba we no ne bibi a infilisa because no for nti ya so oja we no ko. O ti say anti no for no die. Bua anyama kon kan o.
Nti boy na oja ne girl no sake of say ne no fu susua no. The boy ne very wrong because all kopeno no ohunu physical appearance ansana okohunu onene ebedeti on timimi bitumi say boy ne dey o very wrong ohun nti eni kwa say oye sad dey no
okay meaning say like not for the emunyama emema but it shouldn't be a reason in there obema ebe fa oba na say on fan
not for the only body ehia nene no phobia so nehia o ye ka na echichi because no for the ties and your papa and your bonnet ibi di ejija ibi di adokolize no for the
okay anyway me so dey me only say obi anka say obi no for susa enye fe what I say but obi an dey okay ye mu bi ye park ese obi nsu bi esu obi benya de obi ape ti de wo na wo ni aso sa plastic surgery o mu twitwa de silicone ni ade no mo no for e mani pa ho ye fu ti de wo no wo ni aso me pekese a me ba be fakese o peketo a ko ba peketo.
Well, but me, I still don't know why it should be something boys should like. They should look for before they go ahead to propose to somebody. So what do you also think of? Should it matter? Leave your comments under the comments section, and then don't forget to subscribe, share, and then like. See you next time.
I've been trying, mom attention. Like you can propose a kitty cry. Send me and come funny sir. Ladies, so I want us to talk about this issue. It's really bothering me. I've seen this handsome, catchy looking guy and I really love him. I've been trying my best. Don't go there. I've been trying, like I've been cooking, washing, you know me. I've been dressing like this. I don't know. That beat me can't do. I've been trying, mom attention. Like you can propose a kitty cry. Send me and come funny sir. You guys should help me, seriously.
I think you should tell me. What like him? No. So have you seen anybody around him?
Nah, and I don't even care about that one. Proposing no, and then kai.
Tell him we can be picturing and what the man boyfriend.
I don't want that. I want him to propose. Then I will stretch him like
the guy has other ladies. Maybe your serious girlfriend who will say like maybe sister.
No. Don't go there. I don't like that. Like, I don't even care about he having a girl or something else. I don't care. It's him that I want. I don't care. I don't give a damn about who he is.
Wait, you want him?
Yeah.
Tell him.
Okay, wait. Why shouldn't she tell him? Why?
But that's cheating. Listen, so can you be chatting? But a
dependent guy in maturity.
Let her talk, please.
But also there. You see some guys be yo boys be
he's very cool.
Listen, this thing has happened before. Listen, it's an experience. There was this guy, you understand? He was like everything a lady would like. Or that pick, thought I see. Then me compare a guy. Sister me me compare a guy. I want to say and I'm thinking about it, and then I have exams to do, and so I can't be thinking about it.
You see?
Oh, so I can't feel strength.
And I'm a pocket trail and I'll grade and then I have an exam and I'll say, Michelle, and go read your sending me mobile money.
From the look of things, I don't think he's like that. Just that I'm not going to propose to him for that one, dear. I won't go there. But
which I also know you have to tell him. But I don't know. I won't be able to talk again. That one, dear. I know if you approach him, he would also like feel comfortable, like he know how to approach you next.
Because
you know, say, offering, because why me can't train and say, open it, you'll be able to style about approach you. Simple. Tell
what
me.
if one of you tell him for me?
Anymore.
We don't
Oh,
like I'll give him your the number then.
Oh, yeah,
Maybe so you'll be on pesta here. You understand? And people be a now for baby room.
Just give it a try.
Daddy, you guys don't understand. I want him to propose. Then machichi me ho kakra and then.
Is that a problem?
How?
But that's the normal thing in Ghana.
Who said chance on no mechanics and chin mukaka?
But what if say me could propose it, then later on you come and tell me,
now
I'm the cheap girl.
Yeah, that one too will be possible, but hey, it's my baby.
I can't. I'm not
There's no harm in trying. Even in the Bible, Ruth proposed to Boaz, so it's normal.
So I should propose, right?
Yes.
Like you should go on a date. Or
wait. Now, me and the date, Ben, no, wait. What be one way, Jane?
It's senior, my box right now, bro.
It's actually so you are.
I don't like
Oh, but wait, he will propose like after washing, cooking. What's that here? Housework,
that one day.
Housework in a different.
I'm found, but seriously.
That means so yeah,
simple. Just wait. You propose. You want to? I wait to send me my way. Now that you not propose the.
Let's me your baby. Yes.
Oh, I should just give myself to him. No. Listen. Like I should just give myself to him then.
What's it?
Oh,
they'll be said after the thing. No, I'll just ask him. Now it doesn't matter. Like propose, we can end up dating after that.
Why really? Oh,
maybe. Oh, yes, sir.
You see?
The guy will think like you.
No, there's nothing like that.
It's not just about the sex. Like after that, there will be something else.
Listen, he's not that type.
What is that type? Why would he ignore me? Like, ignore me.
He said you don't see any girl.
No, and for that one, let's put it aside. I don't mind that, please. No. He's not a gay. He's not a gay. He's straight.
100%.
Straight.
Like, wait, he's straight.
No, don't go there. No.
Definitely, that could be when we said.
No. Have you seen this boxer size and the straight? You see, that's what I'm talking. Yeah, it's nice, romantic, very straight.
Wait.
Don't wait.
I can't wait.
Go for it.
After washing,
you propose now. Wait, give him some time.
What does washing got to do with this one? I'm just showing him. Say I have feelings for him through the washing, but what should I wait for?
My sister,
maybe he's
continue washing.
You're not seriously
there. Talking about your monthly salary. Serious. Washing, cooking, but seriously, propose to him.
Some men can do.
Oh, when you say propose,
a woman can do plus one.
Yes.
But having sex too is part of the proposing. Like that one will show say I really want something
more cheaper.
How does sex got to do with being cheap?
Best friends wash, they cook. They have sex with their best friends too. So
get pregnant too. Add that one. Really?
No. Yes. That one they have not seen it before.
Oh yes, some pregnancy drop.
But seriously, you have to go and propose to the guy if you like him. Another person would somehow no be there for.
They should go on romantic date.
Oh yeah, that I try so phenomenal. Hey, I can. Oh, my no, like no, or try as a guy and so try to be maybe I feel now going to be chinny it is what you know, cannot boy proposal.
The thing I have feelings for the guy. You people don't understand. How can I ignore a kiss like this? How can I ignore it's like coming from my guy? How can I?
Then go propose. No, sister.
And now I would be proposing.
I don't have a problem with the proposing stuff. No, I can do it. You know me, I can do it. But hey,
and if I come Bible,
yeah, all night more.
Modest.
Wait, the guy will propose.
No wait. Propose. Waiting, now waiting, then I'm able.
Then maybe
Corona chine.
No way.
Then means you don't.
Oh, but seriously, the thing is, go and propose to the guy if you like him. Simple. You understand? Send me a bam or pay catch on the best.
This generation, no, master. Have you forgotten? When you say a guy, it's normal for a guy to propose to you, then you ignore it. You were here talking about experience, and today you go and propose again.
Many she go and propose to a guy. So
now the engine I got there because senior man.
And invitation card 2020.
I know
no, the thing is for your teacher or you're in national service, left with about if I'm a big teacher. Or yet I can't live about 3 months. No way, you will leave.
Of course, sorry, baby.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. To now where?
Like, haven't you seen this guy like that?
We've not seen
this part. I mean, me explaining like.
Working the boss here with all 6 pack.
Near crying boy.
Me can't say like
share.
Hey, haven't you seen a catchy? Coffee beja.
Hey, coffee.
Beja. Only beja. Now we could share
the chef is back. The chef can see.
But so we are romantic. Like they pay. You know, so sugar daddy be now. Or before you pay, I don't know.
Coffee answer.
Is it the only I want this guy that now dear my plan, my purpose
you
like
when he's
nice
compared to convenience.
You see. It ain't saying me one scrap. Like 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
When I say you are waiting, I'm can I name? We're quite having 10 1
That's not 2 weeks, guy. And then 2 weeks. I
don't know. Way.
Or child was good.
Open. Nah, I don't like that. Don't go there. It doesn't matter. Me problem, they say I've seen this guy. I want to date him. Baby, I'll try then he being a teacher or whatever.
Also, again,
schools like by now.
And family I want to be the queen. After that, no, I will know how to handle him. You get it?
Your queen that
oh, please. Oh,
but serious.
So finally, you person me here. Will be.
Me what dear, and can make up for that guy. I'll just propose to the guy because there's no harm in trying.
I will wait. I'll wait for him to propose. It's just wait for him to propose. That one is good because if you propose right now, he will tell his friends. They will laugh at you. So wait, and then you propose.
Okay, to me, all men can do, women can do better. So go ahead and propose to you. It's normal.
2 weeks relationship, they all can't tell any.
They say after the 2 weeks, I'll be adding some like a week or. You don't worry.
Okay, what so wait, just how are you going to do it? Like,
no, Sonia, Samuel.
Champagne.
All right. So viewers, please just leave your comments under it. Should I go on and propose? Should I wait? What should I do? Please leave your comments under it. Your sister is damn confused. Thank you.
Have you ever crushed someone?
I've been saying the TV madu, telenovela adi, I know osi fili.
Today we are discussing this topic, crush. Is it real? Is it real? Crush. Is love at first sight even real? I don't know what you think, but let me know what you think. I don't know if you ever crushed anyone or ever crushed someone. I have. And then my cameraman also says he has also crushed before. Have you ever crushed anyone?
Yeah, I have.
Okay, so when you say crush, what is crush at all?
I'm seeing somebody for the first time and then you wish the person was your spouse, would want to spend your rest of your life with you. Like you think you have a feelings for him and then wanting to do things to catch the person's attention.
So that is crush. What of you? What is crush? This crush, what is it?
Yeah, just like she said, crush is seeing someone for the first time and then having a strong feeling for the person. It's like, immediately I saw this guy, I wish I'm going out with this guy. I wish this guy is my boyfriend or something like that.
Okay.
That is the meaning of crush.
What do you also think crush is?
Well, for me, I think crush is like you meet someone and maybe per the physique or whatever made you interested. Like something will make you interested in the person. Yes. And based on that, you might think you'll be attracted to the person. You wish you'd be going out with the person. That's basically what I think crush is.
Okay, so you see something with somebody, someone possesses, a quality or something on this person, be it an action or a quality or even a physique, the physique of a person, and you wish this person is actually yours. So what? Let's still find out. What do you also think?
It's we are all humans, flesh and blood. You are meant to like something somebody has. You meet someone, hey, Abrante, Charlie, no, you feel, like you like, but
you wish he was yours.
Not necessarily as a boyfriend but you meet someone, you definitely like something. Me personally, I've never had that feeling. Say, I've met this person I like, but I've never had that feeling. Say, I want this person to be my boyfriend or husband or something. But I'll see this person. I like something about this person. This person is gentle. He's kind and all that. I like these qualities, but I've never gone. The feeling has never gone that far. I say, I would really like this person to be my husband or something. That's my personal.
Okay, so you see yours to you. You see people and you like qualities the person possesses and you feel it's a crush. Okay, fine. Let's also find out what Google will tell us. Sweetheart, what is Google saying about crush?
Google says puppy love, also known as crush, is an informal term for feelings of romantic or platonic love, often felt during childhood and adolescence. It is named for its resemblance to the adoring, worshipful affection that may be felt by a puppy. That is what Google is saying about crush.
By a puppy.
Yes.
No, is anyone getting any different meaning?
Yeah.
No, but repeat yours. Take your time.
Mine.
Please, let's analyze this.
Okay, I'm coming. I screenshotted it too.
Wow.
Alright, let's go. Google is saying puppy love, also known as a crush, is an informal term for feelings of romantic or platonic love, often felt during childhood and adolescence. It is named for its resemblance to the adoring, worshipful affection that may be felt by a puppy. So, like Google is saying, crush, you're comparing crush to how puppies behave when they see humans, like the way they'll be bubbling all over towards that person. That is how crush is like. So you see that person and I want to hug this person.
It's not actually the meaning, but then it's just relating it to that of a puppy. Because I nearly killed myself now. all right. So yes, I think there is another one to come here.
An informal feeling of love and admiration for someone, often someone you cannot have a relationship with.
Okay, so most often somebody you cannot have a relationship with. Okay, fine. I think even with that is relative, because if this person is single and you guys, if the feeling is mutual, then obviously you can do something, you can start something. But I think when the person is not, I said.
This one is talking about sitting behind TV and you've seen Emeka or no so the Nigerian and but then the way you see him on the TV set,
Good. Okay, so let's also read from here. Where are you reading from?
From Google.
Okay.
Crush on somebody. To have a feeling of romantic love for someone, especially someone you do not know well.
Especially someone you do not know well. So when the love is there, when there's a feeling for this kind of love and all, for this person, especially somebody you don't really know well, most of the time somebody you see for the first time, this person can also be in your community, but you are not like that with the person. You don't really talk, you are not in good terms with the person, or you've not even spoken before, but this guy hovers around the hood, but then you are not friends. And that kind of crush can kill you, trust me. Because you see this guy each and every day, he dresses so nice, he does everything, he's so good looking and all that. And then you can't help it. This guy is so nice. And the worst part of this is when you see him with his girlfriend and he's all right. People are already dying. Okay, so what do you also think? Do you think crush is real?
Yes, it is.
Have you ever crushed anyone?
Yes, I do. Yes, I have.
Yes, you have, or yes, you do.
I have.
You have?
Yes.
I thought you still do.
My last crush, like, finally we are with. So.
Wow, this is so nice. Come here.
Your voice is realistic.
You happen to crush someone, and then by virtue of whatever, you guys are now dating.
Yes.
How did you work it out? And how possible is this? For some of us, we crush people and never meet them. I'll be crushing Tonto DK and I've never seen her. So you see,
it's like it all started. Maybe you saw the person and you started having these feelings for him. And when you're crushing on someone, you want to do everything for the person to see that you're also there. Like, me too, I did some. Can't you see me? And start doing this small friendship. Hello, hi. Can I help you with this? Can we hang out? Listen. Maybe nature will just push some of my feelings to him and for him to realize that, come on, this guy is...
Okay. So let's move to our beautiful ladies here too. Have you ever crushed someone?
I've been saying the TV madu, telenovela di, I know see fili.
But somebody's just telling us that she's ever crushed somebody.
I'm the fire lady.
You believe that crash a TV so idea something that happens only on television?
Wait, TV yes na me la metide. David, I mean Jean the cry.
How is this possible? So you've never crushed anyone?
I didn't mean Jean, don't make them. Hey, Papa. I didn't mean Jean, didn't see. On see, Mum. It's a massa.
I'm confused now, like right now.
Relax.
In this century, you've never crushed anyone. You don't even believe in crush. So you've never seen any guy you've truly had affections for. This guy you don't know and you like so much. There are times where you can even intentionally dress up and pass by his house. Go to town.
Forget.
It doesn't happen.
See. Maybe our next future. Mokoba.
Let's get
Mokoba necessarily.
So to her, there's nothing like crush. The only crush she knows is maybe you crushing something. There's nothing like crush.
I come, I didn't crash things. Biscuits, crow.
So it has never happened to her. She's never crushed anyone, and she doesn't even believe it. This is a very special and a very beautiful lady. But will you believe it if somebody tells you I've ever crushed you?
No, I wouldn't believe it.
Because one kasana engine.
See, Mom, you want to back at Chimpoide, Cocoana's story. Yeah, me stop. Hello, miss, get to a degree.
Go. So I am going. Let me come to somebody. What do you also think? Do you believe in crush?
Yeah.
Have you ever crushed anyone?
Yeah.
Are you crushing on me?
No.
So do you believe in crush?
Yes. I believe in crush, and I've crushed on someone before, and we are together now for 2 years.
You are also together now for 2 years?
Yes.
So from you, okay. And from somebody, it doesn't even exist.
But at times, the reason why I would accept what she said is, at times you see someone and you fall in love with what the person has, or maybe how the person looked that moment you saw him, or what he said, or some kind of affection or care he showed to you. So if that thing is not there, the love is not there. That is conditional. So at times we crush on people, but it's conditional. But at times it's real, like mine.
At times it's real, like mine. But do you think that crushing on somebody is just enough for you to start dating? Do you think that crushing on someone is just enough for you to start dating? Do you think so?
No. Shouldn't be so. You crush on that person. You study the person for a while before you just jump into dating. Not that moment you just crush and the person has seen that, oh, this girl is crushing on me, because you started showing some signs that you love him and all that. The person would like to take advantage if he's really not into you. So the person will just come and act in a way. Within 1 month, he proposes and you're like, yes, I want to date you. No, it shouldn't be so. You study that person for a while before you jump into anything called dating.
Right. So in that case, as ladies, can we come together? So in that case, as ladies, what do we do then when we crush people? But before then, do you believe there's anything like crush?
Yeah, I do believe.
Have you ever crushed?
Yes, a lot.
A lot. Oh, good. So in that case, as ladies, what do we do when we crush someone or when we are crushing on people? What do we do?
Maybe you saw the person today and the person was in a nice shirt plus some nice jeans with shoes to match and all that. That day you crushed on that person. You thought you loved him. The next day you wore the same thing. Yes, I like this person. But the next moment he's walking somewhere and you see his dress like, hey,
What's this? Like, so you observe your feelings for that person for a while before you just jump into it.
It means this thing we call crush should have so many types. Somebody said you can crush based on a condition. You can crush based on somebody's appearance, somebody's something the person possesses. Let's say the person has this pink lips, not like mine. Somebody has this. Somebody's already clapping. Somebody has this nice hair. Somebody has this sideburns, this nice and all this nice accents. And somebody has. Yes, people also wear nice sneakers, nice shoes, nice, and then even sometimes nice money. So people also have nice money. So there are times where you crush on people based on what we see. So in that case, if yours doesn't fit, then what do you do? Especially when you know this person is single. But personally, I have ever crushed on someone, this girl, and then I was fortunate for the person to also tell a friend of hers that this guy, I like how he dresses. And do you know what I did? I had to step up the game. There are times where I wouldn't go to town, I wouldn't do anything, but I just go, dress up, take a bag like I'm going to work, take an armpit bag sometimes, and then just pass by her house. Sometimes I just have to let this friend know or find out if she's in their house, and then they'll just step out from their room, and so that I can just meet them by then I'll just say hello and hi and pass. And when they get inside, I'll run back to my house. And then, this continued for a time until I got a chance to talk to her. And she had also wanted to talk to me all this while. And unfortunate thing is that we couldn't date because she was dating. And then I was also dating. Yes. So, what do you also think? You said sorry. You think?
For me, I don't really believe in crush. As in, I've never crushed on somebody before.
Okay.
But the guy I'm with right now.
At least you have a companion.
The guy I'm with right now crushed on me, and then we are together now. But for me, I don't believe in it. In the first place.
Do you love the guy?
I really do.
Does he love you?
Yes.
So you should know that crush is real. If he actually crushed you, asked you out, and you can feel the love, that means crush is real.
When he approached me, I told him that I don't believe in crush. And then he was like, it's love. And it's a love at first sight. And I said, you can't just see me and tell me you love me. It's not possible for me. And then he was like, it's really possible. And I asked him that, what makes him to love me? He said, everything about me, from nature.
And you guys are together now.
Yes,
so everything about you made him crush?
Yes.
Made him fall for you at the first time, and you are together.
Yes.
That is good for you. Some of us, nothing on us will let people crush on us. Nothing. What do you also think? What do you also think?
I think crush and love at first sight, no, I don't believe in it because.
But you have ever crushed someone?
Yes, I do crush, but I don't believe in love at first sight. I don't believe in that because I wanted to give a scenario that is my personal something. Observation. Yes, thank you. I crushed on someone, and fortunately for me, I knew the sister of that guy, and I told the sister that, oh, I'm crushing on your brother, and not knowing his brother was madly in love with me. Yes, and as at now, like, we can't be together because I'm dating, but he is single, and he told me.
You wish you were single?
No.
I love how I had to read the sky before he said no. Okay.
And he was laughing at me because he heard I'm also crushing on him and all that, and I told him love is different from crush. I just liked you like the first time I saw you, and not love. I told him, because I don't love you, but like I just like everything about you. And I can't say because of me crashing on you, I would leave my guy I have loved for 3-4 years just for you. So I told him, love and crush, it's like two different things altogether.
But don't you think that love and crush thing really affects relationship? I know of guys around me who love ladies who have beautiful hair. If you have like nice hair or like child hair, especially natural hair, naturally he likes hair. But then I mean after that day he's not going to see you again. This is also a form of crush, that he would like to come close to you, talk to you, can be with you like the whole day, and then afterwards that is all. He liked you because of your hair. Okay, so should this affect a relationship? Sister, we can't even ask her.
I'm not even answering.
Alright, so come. What do you also think? Should crush affect a relationship?
I think it depends. If you are in a relationship where you are happy in it, you will try psyching yourself not to fall for the other person. But if you are in a relationship where you are not being cared for, you don't feel loved, like 2 weeks your spouse hasn't called you or something, it's obvious you try catching the attention of the person you are crushing on. So it depends.
Okay, so it depends. There are times where you crush people, and then because the love you have for your partner is so great, you don't entertain this crush for you to even grow to the next level or to the next thing. But if you are finding difficulties in your relationship where your guy or your partner doesn't really give you much attention, doesn't really care, calls you after weeks and after days, you call him and he's too busy and all, then your crush attention and all that can generate into something else. What do you think?
I personally don't see crush as an attraction. I think crush is a form of like an admiration. There is something you admire about somebody. It doesn't necessarily mean you want to be with that person or something like that. So, and yes, it can develop. Just like love, crush can develop to become something else. But then at the very stage of crush, I think it's just an admiration, and I don't think it should affect someone's relationship. Because if you admire something about somebody else, it doesn't mean you should leave your relationship for that thing. Crush is just an admiration and you should just let it go.
Alright, so what do you also think? Somebody said, I was crushing on this girl, I was crushing on this guy. And what I love about this guy is that when he talks, then I am dying, then I'm melting. And then, and what? The accent the person uses, the dictions, and then even how the person is able to use proper phonetics, then people fall for them. And this guy, you are such a person, this guy happens to be in your class. This guy contributes so much in class. What will you do? How will you prevent this?
I don't know, but okay. When I was in JHS, I've crushed on people in my class, but now I didn't want to have a relationship with them.
Even at JHS?
Yeah, I admire them, but I don't want to have a relationship with them. So I just resist. Sometimes I think they also, from others, they also had a crush on me. So they'll try to get my attention and others. So for me not getting involved, maybe I'll take a book and read or something. They'll come and disturb me all around, just trying to get my attention. So after school, and I was told that they were also crashing on me.
Did you tell them you were crashing too?
No, I never told them. Because I don't want to date them. I didn't want to date them.
So, I need the uncle Becca.
Yeah.
I need the uncle Becca.
What I'll say.
So does that mean that if it was supposed to be today, you would have also told them that you were also crashing?
No.
Why?
No. Because the one I'm dating with, I'm okay with that. I also crashed on him, but now I didn't want to date him. And he came to propose on me. That one crashed still. Now I didn't want to. But how he was, so much.
It was because maybe you were... Maybe you yes. So you see, this is something that is so common with our system now, that ladies are crashing, guys are crashing, and then it is breaking relationships, and then it is mending relationships, and people are enjoying this crash thing. I don't know about what you think. I don't know about you if you ever crashed anyone, but if you have, let us know and tell us your experience as to how it felt like to crush someone. Personally, I have been there before, and I know how it feels like. Your heart can start beating like kum, 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 like that, like So I don't know about you. I know people who are very close to me who can crush like 3 people at a time. It's crash. He might meet you, crash on your hair, meet this girl, and then crash on the legs. Meet this girl and crash on the ear and all that. So all these things happen. But let's make sure and note that crash is not always love. You can crash on someone just because of the person's hair. You can crush on someone just because of how the person talks, just because of how the person even walks sometimes. Let's note that some of these things can fade just because of how the person dresses, just because of one particular shoe and how the person wears them, or wears it, sorry. So this definitely can't be love. Let's be careful so we don't ruin our relationships with our crush. So we are ending, and today I'm not the one ending. Somebody is ending for us. So as we are ending, what do you have to say?
Okay, viewers, the letter that I have to say is, although some people do believe in love and then crush and then love at first sight, me personally, I do believe in it because I'm a victim. Yeah, let me say that. Yeah, so before you move into a relationship with the love at first sight, you need to be careful and check if it's real or not. Thank you.
So you check if it is real or not. You check if it is real or not. You can love somebody at first sight, you can crush on someone, but just make sure this feeling is real. This feeling is mutual. This feeling is going to take you far. So just also let us know what you think. But for now, it is bye-bye.